Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Maisha Farzana Zeba and I am a student of Dhaka Nursing College. Today we have a new topic to discuss, that is the importance of English for nurses. English is considered as a global language and it is the most spoken language all over the world. And everyone should know English properly. But now we're talking about nurses. Well, if I divide a nurse life into two parts, first of all is student life and the second is the professional life. First I'm talking about the student life. Well, the first of when being a nursing student, he has to read many books, and then he has to give exam on the based on these books. So we know that the medical books and the nursing books all are written in English. So we should know, and so the nursing student should know English properly, so that he can do well in the exam and he can do better. He can get good marks on his exam. Well, if I go ahead to the nursing student life, then when he will be at professional life, he has to deal with many patients. If he wants to continue her career in his own country, then he will, most of the patients will talk with her in his own mother language. But if not, sometimes there are some patients who are come from different countries. Then the nurse has to deal with the patient also. He has to gather information, and he has to communicate with that patient, and he has to know about the problem of this patient. So and there is a one language with that he can communicate with that patient, and that is English. If he don't know the English properly, he can't talk with or communicate with him properly. So he should know the English. And then if I talk about a nurse who wants to go abroad to do her rest of studies or to continue her career in abroad, he has to give an exam which is called IELTS. And in this exam they will be check her listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill, and the writing skill as well. So he has to know the English properly. And for nurses actually, English is must, because if you know English, then you will be go ahead a step than other. So you should know the English properly. And that's all I want to tell. Take care.